Hi friends, in this video we will see the how we can represent the complex text, complex string. So while writing the complex string, how we can represent that one in a easy way in the ECMAScript. So we will see what is the addition it has been added in the ECMAScript. So previously what we will be doing in the JavaScript in my previous videos, how we have it. For example, if I have one name variable is equal to something like Lila. Okay, so don't think I mentioned it as a var here, we can also mention it as let also. So now I want to do some, I want to prepare some text. Okay, so what previously what I have done, hello, my name is something like this I used to write, and here I need to keep plus here, and I need to keep here the name. And if I want to print the text here, so if I check the text, so if I clear it out, if I run here, I will be getting the output. But tomorrow, for example, let's think I have another age is equal to 30. Now here again I need to represent this one is, so I need to keep again plus, and I need to keep when my age is, so again I need to keep, again I need to plus, and again I need to keep the age. Now here if I try here, so now I will be getting the, but here if you see, this one is looking something like complex using the plus and all those things, so it is looking like complex. For example, if I want to if I want to mention I am, if I want to mention like this, so again it gone, so we need to mention it as a back quote like this. So it looks like something like complex when you want to write complex strings or something like that. It's looking somewhat difficult for us to represent complex strings like this. So fortunately what is happening is ECMAScript provided from some easy way of writing this one. For example, if I see, if I want to represent this one in a new line, okay, so if I want to represent new line something like this, then also it will become, it will get error. So ECMAScript, you in ECMAScript you can write in easy way this one. So how we can represent is, so we need to use the backticks instead of the single quote. Okay, we need to backticks. Okay, in this backticks, whatever you want to write that string, you can write it. For example, here I can write hello, my name is, and I am. So you can write single quote, double quotes, whatever you want, and I am. So I can go to the next line also, and I am. So you can go to the next line. You can, if you and my age is 30 something like this, I can directly mention the layer. So if I want to print the text here, I can directly print the text. Now here what I want to do is I want to replace this Leela and age to the variables. So how I can replace this one? We can use directly dollar curly brackets name, and here I can represent dollar curly brackets age. So using this dollar curly brackets, I can use here directly. So here you can see hello, my name is, sorry, I need to my name is, and I am Leela, and my age is 30. So okay, fine, you can use this like this also. You can use the variable, so here in the template reference. Okay, so in easy, so this one is, this one while looking, this one looks like a easy way how we can represent the string in the ES6. So and also what you can do is, so if you want to add any something any, you can add like this also, say an exclamatory marks, or if you want to add any text in between this one, what I can say is in between the variable declaration, so you can also use that one. So if I see here, you can use Leela like this. Okay, so like this also we can be able to use that in the template reference. And if I want, if I don't want to use this variable, I want to print this one as it is, means you can use simply backtick. Okay, so if I print here, sorry backtick, right? So if I print directly here, you can get directly the output like this. Okay, instead you don't want to convert this one into the variable, I want to print as it is, means you can use the backtick like this, so that it will be print as it is, it will be printed like this. So this is how we can represent in easy way the complex strings in the ECMAScript. This type of things you will be able to see in the template engines, something like in the frameworks Angular, React.js or Vue.js and all those things. you'll be able to see type like this type of using the Mushtaq brackets and all those things. You'll be able to see in the template engines and all those things. So this is nothing but this type of concept only they'll be also using in that template concept in the template engine parsing. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.